Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to Describing by Ibrahim. 2 days ago, I purchased a wireless microphone. You can see it on my hand. This is Ulanzi A100 wireless microphone. So let's open it. I have already opened the box. So inside the box there are a black colored case. You can see it on my hand. And inside the case there are two transmitters. One I have already used and another one on my hand. There is a receiver I have used, and this one used for camera, and these are used for transmitters like this. Okay, like this way it is used. And there are two magnets. One I have already used and another one on my hand. So in this case has type C port, you can see, and a type C cable inside the box. Okay, look. As for the sound quality, you are already hearing my voice through this microphone. You can also compare this video with my previous video. This is my first video using this microphone. So to be honest, I cannot give a full review, but definitely I will share my experience later. I purchased this microphone 3,420 taka, including delivery charge 120 taka. If you want more information about this microphone, let me know in the comment. Allah Hafiz.